Hi guys, today we'll be doing the unboxing video of MEDITIVE model MPO03 Pulse Oximeter. So I purchased it from Amazon for 1100 bucks, and this is the box. So let's open it. So it comes with the warranty card, manual how to use it, and the pulse oximeter itself, and a pair of AAA battery. So this is the power on button, finger out. So it's functioning fine. I have compared with my Samsung Galaxy phone, and SpO2 and pulse rate correlate quite well, and the graph also correlates with my pulse rate. That's fine. And it says that it shuts down automatically if you take out the finger. So I take out my finger, and it shuts down. So it's a simple to use, easy device for elderly, and I read good reviews about it, and initial use seem pretty accurate, so I'll recommend it. Let's see on long-term use. Thank you.